Good afternoon. Well, my name is Youngjin Yoo from Yonsei University of Korea. Today I will present about the training and generating apartment plan graphic images for commercial uses. Okay. Well, first I'd like to show you a demonstration video where showcase an automated design tool that we developed in collaboration with another company under national research project we're participating in. And basically this tool is designed to automate the mass generation compliance with legal regulation using the site and location inputs. And today I will focus on our AI visualization tool, which is part of this development. And this tool allows users to explore and select views of mass model generated in the tool itself or IFC file imported. And by inputting like prompts and some parameters, it can effortlessly generate rendered images using image generation AI. And I'm gonna keep it quickly. And additionally, and when users provide a top view of a model, along with the number of rooms and their configurations, the tool produce corresponding 3D floor plan images. So, our research on AI-based floor plan image generation was inspired by pressing housing issues in Seoul, one of the most densely populated cities in Korea. With affordable housing and short supply, many Koreans spend a third of their income on rent, and homeownership remains a distant dream for most. In response, the government is implementing various policies and programs to increase availability of affordable apartments. And parallel to these efforts, we are exploring how AI can enhance the quality and speed of the architecture design process, thereby supporting the creation of more affordable housing solutions efficiently. So floor plans serve as a fundamental visual communication tools in architecture, but often require specialized knowledge to fully understand. So to bridge this gap, especially for non-experts, it's common to use 3D floor plans because it's due to its clarity and ease of comprehension. So these 3D floor plans enable residents to easily understand various design alternatives, and we saw the potential of these um, plans to incorporate in affordable housing design participations from since the first very early design stages. So residents can participate in to design better housing quality, but in the part of architects doing nothing special efforts to create the 3D designs images. So to end this, our research proposed a method to reduce the numerous pre and post stages required to generate 3D plan images by incorporating image generation AI. However, we identified limitation in using existing models to generate 3D images based on text prompts. And these are the images outputs that we generated using the same um, condition and same prompts that when we generated further for with fine-tuned models. And therefore, we conducted a fine tuning on the image generation AI to enhance its domain applicability. For fine tuning, we use a data set of 224 image text pairs representing common low income Korean apartment design types. Each pair included an image from a 3D model that we built manually and description of key features such as room count, types, and furniture. We trained them into the model using LoRa method. And as a result, we confirmed that images generated with fine-tuned model were more effective and had a better quality, even though and these images were generated with the same prompts and parameters that we used to test the pre-trained models. And using this approach, we have created a variety of apartment floor plans tailored to different conditions and scenarios. We have built a database of over 100,000 images, which we believe that it will serve as a big reference source also. And in addition to text to image, we have also applied the fine-tuned model to image tasks, and this will allow for the conversion of 2D floor plans into 3D. And currently, as I demonstrated earlier, we are reaching various application of this visualization approach to different design tools to assist in creating more effective alternatives in early design phase. So, in conclusion, our research introduces and utilizes AI to generate 3D floor plan images of Korean-style apartments, improving the visualization process. We have conducted fine-tuning, and even with a small data set, the fine-tuned model has shown improved performance compared to the pre-trained model, as evidenced by the output images. And this visualization approach is applicable not only for text to image, but also image to image technologies. And future research we are focusing on converting these outputs from 2D images to 3D actual models and aiming to create a more integrated process of design. So thank you. That's all.
Okay. Thank you, Youngjin. Question time. Any questions?